Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: app installed, account active, and permissions granted. First, open threads and complete profile items that matter most: name, photo, bio. Next, follow a handful of accounts to seed your feed. This makes content appear instantly. Once done, adjust privacy and notification preferences so you control visibility and alerts. Finally, tap the Compose button to start your first thread. Write a clear opening line, then add context or media before you post. Now you craft and expand. Begin with a concise lead that hooks readers, then add 1-5 follow-up posts to build the story. Use attachments, images, or short video to increase clarity and engagement, and tag collaborators with that to notify them. As replies arrive, read before replying. A timely, thoughtful response increases reach. Make sure to use hashtags sparingly and relevantly, and mix replies with reposts and quotes to keep momentum going across the platform. Finish strong, review your entire thread for clarity, typos, and correct attachments before hitting post. Once published, share the thread link to other apps or copy it for reference, and archive or edit posts if facts change. If you encounter upload failures or missing replies, first close and reopen the app. Next, verify permissions and connectivity. If it persists, clear cache or reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes sync or media errors and gets you back to posting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.